Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of My Dello. Y'all, my baby is dead today. He got off at 6 o'clock this morning and he's just not feeling it. But it is 6 o'clock in the evening, so it's time for him to wake up and eat. Okay? So today we're gonna do a mukbang with these wonderful tacos I made, y'all. If you don't know me, tacos is my favorite food ever. If it's not tacos, it's not hot wings. I don't know what to tell you, but this is my favorite food. This is like my comfort food. This is everything. If you ask me, I'm part Mexican.
I have a question. You like lemon pepper wings, all right?
They straight, but okay, yeah, I don't like. I mean, lemon pepper is good or whatever, but I prefer buffalo. So that's my favorite. But we're finna get into these tacos though. So I got sour cream, lettuce, tomatoes, cheese, everything on mine. Cordell.
Keep playing.
What's so good?
I like my tacos like I like my cheeseburgers. Just meat and cheese.
Fun fact though, my baby didn't eat tacos until we got together. He didn't eat none of that.
That's true. People eating Jack Box tacos, I mean, that shit nasty.
And get you right when you're hungry though. And it's cheap.
A lot of people say they like it when they hot. So, right?
They do. They be hidden. They be hidden.
So, I think Jack Box know. They got a lot of weed heads that like their food. They got, little...
The munchie box?
Yeah.
The munchie box?
Yeah. So they just know that, a lot of weed people go by Jack in the Box.
I don't care what nobody say. I think the CEO smoke weed.
You probably do. Yeah.
The munchie box, bro. Yeah, he do.
You probably do a whole lot of other stuff, too.
Like what?
No, I can't be doing Jack in the Box like that. I like Jack in the Box, so I can't say nothing bad about him. Like I want to. He probably do a little coke on the side.
Ooh, I hope not. Really. He don't do that. He just smoke a little. He do Coca-Cola, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I was talking about Coca-Cola. Do you know they used to put cocaine in Coca-Cola?
That's when I eat it. I mean, drink it.
I drink the mess out of it. They don't put in no more. Sugar cane.
It just has like sugar.
Mm-hmm.
That's all it tastes like.
Mm-hmm. Y'all see my shirt? I can't read it. I don't know what it say. What is that?
What will you be? Well, we know what she is now.
Circle.
I'm a little sad because I ain't gonna be spoiled no more. She gonna take everything.
That's right.
Like when I tell y'all he got me spoiled, he got me spoiled. But I know it's gonna change when she come.
That's right.
Her gonna fight for sure.
That's not right. That's not right.
I want my time too. Hell.
No time, nighttime. Sleep time.
Sleep time?
Yeah. Just when you don't think you're being nasty.
I don't do that stuff no more.
You don't know. Not nighttime, this is morning time.
And so you can sleep better.
Yeah. Don't judge me.
So yeah, I made 18 of these. So I just split it down the middle. I really feel like I can eat more. When I was younger, I used to eat like 20 tacos.
Goddamn.
Like dead ass. My granny and them, my mom and them used to call me hungry hippo. Because I used to tear these down. But for a long time, she made me stop eating the hard ones because they used to be so good, y'all. I used to eat them so fast that the shell used to get stuck in my throat.
She used to get choked on. I can't talk though. I can turn some chicken wings up.
Honestly, y'all, he just waking up. He being nice because I feel like the taco would have been done like right now. Like if we was to do a challenge, he probably would have won.
What you talking about?
Like next time I want to
We should do a challenge.
we gonna do one.
Oh, okay.
But this one is like 7 tacos in 7 minutes. You got it?
I'm almost done. Have been 7 minutes? Oh no.
And you only had 4 tacos.
Because I've been talking. That's because I've been talking. We're doing a challenge. If we doing it right now, I might lose. Because shit.
After I have my baby, I'm down for a challenge. I can't eat that fast with her. She gonna humble me real quick. You trying to practice?
Yeah, look, my look.
Yeah.
You got big to
But y'all comment below for like ideas that we can do or topics y'all want us to talk about.
I'm really a boring guy. But once you get to know me, I'm really a retarded guy.
Not retarded, man.
I am. I ain't funny. I'm retarded.
You hard.
What?
I don't know what you said.
No. No.
Not that hard.
Oh.
I mean hard like, see, yeah, my hours in the
Oh no. I probably can't do 7 tacos in 7 minutes. I gotta be hungry.
Yeah, usually he can eat like 12 tacos. Like just going.
Yeah.
If there was a soft ones,
Oh my.
if there was a soft ones,
No.
this whole patty be gone.
No. It's just the hard one that be stuck in my teeth. So
Take a climb. Yeah, I love sour cream on my tacos. I don't know why I just put an extra kick to it.
you know, I just like dry tacos. I don't know, just put extra dryness on it. No. Something about it. Why are you laughing at? How long was the last video? Like an hour?
Yeah.
Yeah, we ain't gonna do that again. We're gonna learn how to edit the correct way.
Yeah, we still learning, so just work with us. But can't say we, because I'm the only one that do it. Cordell just sit in the camera. Yeah, I'm really pushing it with this picante sauce.
Hey.
I'm gonna be crying later.
You gotta watch your sugar though.
Yeah, so they
Oh, damn, I ain't I was just whispering.
I took my glucose test, and I guess that's how much I don't have diabetes. So I'm done without the sugar. I'm drinking nothing but water. What's my favorite candy? Them gummy
Word. But you ain't eat bottom like that.
And gummy bears. What can I always eat?
Mm-hmm. The first thing I don't want to see you eat candy.
I don't need them. But no, I do be eating candy. Them hot fries, all that shit.
Yeah. Yeah. And stuff like this. That's some.
But I'm gonna slow down after today.
So we had 8 tacos. Yeah, you
Nah.
lying, because I had like some candy or some hot fries.
You gotta get me some hot fries. That's what I told you no.
Well, that's because you didn't want one.
I hate eating hot fries because every time I eat them, I can't stop.
You like this? Let me have one. Let me have one. So you gonna put cheese on it? No, I don't want to put no cheese on it.
Oh, my baby didn't never. So I go to I go to 7-Eleven, get them hot fries, cut them mugs open, and then I go to the little cheese dispenser, put the cheese on there. That should be hitting. And here he comes. Just give me a dry one.
Yeah. That one.
It's good though. Yeah, he don't like anything that's not crunchy. Like we come to food and it's not crunchy.
It gotta be a party in my mouth.
That's why you need some sauce. That's why you need some salsa.
I'll probably be like, pow, 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 pow. No.
I should be here, man. I should be here.
Ain't gonna lie though. I'm thinking I'm being defeated right now.
What?
Mm-hmm.
You getting defeated with just meat and cheese?
Yeah. Nah, cause shit. I had like lunchtime earlier there.
Yeah, earlier today was about 6 this morning. So, don't fall for that, y'all. I know you had no Jack in the Box.
Nah, I ain't no Jack in the Box.
What you eat?
Chicken sandwich.
From Jack in the Box?
I ain't get no Jack in the Box.
Where you eat chicken sandwich from? Cause you know how I feel about you eating that hard food in the morning.
But I waited like an hour, 2 hours of sleep. I promise.
You still laid in the bed with me?
It's better than what I wanted to get. I wanted a fucking wardrobe. A number 2.
Right.
It's fries. But I talked myself out of it.
Excuse me.
No, I didn't talk myself out of it. I went to drive through, and nobody else was probably a good minute or 2.
No, baby mama. I think she like this.
Party your stomach.
Let me tell y'all, my baby moved the most when she hear her daddy. When she hear him, or when she when he put his hands on my belly, that little girl can go. What you say? What you say last time, baby? She kicked me real hard.
Oh, yeah. Dang. So I said, oh. So damn. She hit you like she Mike Tyson.
That's why you always mad.
I'll be mad too, shit. You hit me like that. And I can't do nothing.
She gonna go.
You just gotta take it. Like, yeah, you gonna take this punch. Oh, child. Like, you gonna take this kick. Oh, wow.
Like she be moving on my stomach, but I be trying to record her. It's like she knows. She just instantly stop. And then I put the phone down. There she go again. We just got up. And it's making me sleepy again.
You can't go to sleep. You gotta do this food, baby. She couldn't get it right. Couldn't get her halfway.
No, I ain't been to her house since,
Oh, come on.
I ain't been to her house since she moved in.
Yeah, because the Trump. I was just saying, like, in general, like, no.
She said, Mom was like, oh, y'all acting funny? Y'all want to come see us? I'm not acting funny.
I'm acting funny.
Yeah, when Cordell talked to my mama, he acted all nervous. He be like, like she gotta do something to him.
I know you ain't talking.
What?
You know, my money back here. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
You were supposed to say yes, ma'am.
No. I don't hit him. Nah.
See, this is the second one you're gonna have to take off your bibs in you. You hit me too.
In the right spot, though. You hit me. Wherever you hit me at, though.
I don't hit him, y'all. Hey, y'all.
She don't hit me out. She don't hit me. I approve this bitches. I'm hungry.
Huh?
It's like I'm hungry, but I'm full. I'm drink some water. Never lay out.
Well, why gonna make you fuller? Why gonna make you more full?
It's because of homo meat.
But seriously, y'all, I do need y'all to comment below. So give us some more ideas of what we can talk about or do. I got a couple things in my head, but it's more so of getting him to do it. I'm sure ready to throw this pie in his face, y'all. Oh my God.
She think I know everything about her. But what she don't know is I'm the best person to tell secrets because I forget stuff.
But I can't tell y'all I can't ask him none of my secrets because I don't be a secret no more.
I'm just saying in general.
That is true.
I forget stuff.
Okay, you ain't gotta bottle up like that now. Damn.
Man, say, I don't smoke weed, but I'm gonna go to sleep.
What?
I don't know. I'm just saying something.
What does weed got to do with you going to sleep?
I don't know. I feel like if I smoke some weed, is that I'll be laughing too much? Or I'll go to sleep. It's happening two things.
Hold on. I'm about to roll somehow.
You know what I'm saying? You trying to talk and you got food in your mouth. I'm probably with camera shot right now. I don't know. How many tacos was that?
I got poop. I'm not gonna do it.
Shit, gonna do
I'm not gonna do it. We both gonna be running from this table.
I'm not gonna lie. I have no energy, bro.
You just gonna stay there and smell it?
I'm like, babe, pass my controller. Be over.
Last taco, y'all.
I normally be her,
Okay, I'm a gangster.
but she just beat the shit out of me. I still gotta hold her taco, but I ain't touching this. Huh? I ain't touching this taco. You want mine? Want mine?
Yes, I let it like.
And him, your man, in?
I'm full. I don't break too much up.
Man, I don't hear that. Hey, look. I already know. I know I got to finish this out. You know, you bet something like, damn, I'm full, but shit. I gotta make room to eat this out. I low-key wasn't hungry, y'all. I was a little bit hungry.
He wasn't hungry because he just woke up.
Man, it's that. Oh, I'm thinking about being an actor now, y'all. If y'all see me on the movie screen, just know I told y'all firsthand.
I believe in you, Big Daddy.
See, I got down women. What woman?
You got down women. What's their names?
Shay, Sharika, I think. Shaniqua. I'm trying to think of your egos.
I don't know no Shaniqua.
Oh, no, mom.
Oh.
I just know one more. I just know one. Shaky.
That's my ego. I don't know who Shaniqua is.
I forgot you got a white girl's ego.
Carmen.
Oh, Carmen. See, look, I'm about to think it's S's. Start with S on this. Shasha. No.
Oh, it was Sasha.
Oh, Shasha. Y'all hold the taco for a long time, baby. I'm done eating.
Eat it. Eat it. Eat it. Eat it. Man.
What you doing?
She punching the mess out of me. Kicking me, elbow, know what it is, but she going ham right here.
The guy, he like, actually, I got your head in my hand. Yeah, I ain't eating that taco, but don't stand with that.
I mean, I could eat it, but I can't eat it.
You just ate 8 tacos.
I ate 9.
9 tacos.
Yeah, I can eat them on burping. Excuse me, y'all.
So what? Black people burp all the time.
So what white people do?
Burp. Burp. I just know what I was doing. That's how I know I'm full.
They even get on their phone. Yeah, we so excited. I have, what, baby, 2.5 months?
I don't keep track. I really don't.
I know one thing, y'all. He be in this house knocked out. He don't answer the phone. He don't answer the door. What he gonna do when he knocked out and I'm in labor? And I'm at my granny's house or something?
You know, it's crazy. You know, it's really crazy, Shane.
What?
People think I be annoying them. Nah, if I'm sleeping, I'm not
Nah,
answering the phone.
he be for real asleep. He be dead to the world, like, for real. Like, if I was a burglar, I'd come here and rob him.
You ain't gotta wake me up.
That's how sleep he be.
You ain't gotta wake me up.
Only time he wake up is like, so I got this big old pole. Like when he at work or whatever, I be by myself, I got this big ass pole. I'm gonna clock your ass. It's real heavy. Like, right? When that mother fall, that boy jump up so damn fast, it's ridiculous. Come on, baby, let's eat this taco. You can't get defeated like that.
I can't do it.
Why?
I'm full. How many times you ate today?
This is my first time eating.
See? This ain't my first time eating. I still got some chicken sandwich in my spaghetti.
I ate noodles.
That don't count. They tell you eat noodles when you sick.
Come on, let's have it.
No. Eat that up.
I can't.
Eat it. Eat it.
Fuck no.
Eat it.
No.
Okay.
Come on.
We gotta take a moment to talk about the way she got that one.
My daddy eat that one before my mama eat that one because that's how he eat his tacos.
What's up? But no, I'm tired.
You tired or what?
I'm tired. I'm trying not to lean over.
Okay,
I'm
y'all.
tired.
So Cordell got defeated by one taco. I thought he was a beast at this, but we all know who the beast is.
I think she challenged my ego.
Yeah. That right here. Cause you know,
Yeah.
I go ham when it comes to tacos. He ain't got nothing on me. You hear me? All he can eat a lot is burgers. He's a burger fry looking head ass man. You know what I'm talking about?
Oh, I'm just water real quick.
Yeah. He only eating it because I'm a boss and I'm a G and I add out my tacos and he's
Seven pussy.
I didn't call you a pussy.
What you call me?
I didn't call you nothing.
What you call me?
You just called yourself a
No,
pussy.
you call me pussy. What you call me?
I didn't call you nothing. I just said he and looked at you.
I knew I should have made room.
Eat it.
I had to take a number two. I should have took one.
Yeah, go. You got a boo boo, so you can leave some room.
You never did that? I made it a couple times before. I still got from my plate. I'm like, man, I got boo boo. I got boo boo. I come back, I'm like, yeah.
What's up, baby? Do y'all?
It's called making room.
Eat it.
I don't want to stuff
Eat
myself.
it.
It's a sin to stuff yourself.
That's because I told you that last week. I told you that last week. It's okay. You don't gotta eat it. Just know that I'm the winner. Nah. Don't take no bite. I still won.
You won the race, hell yeah.
No, I won the race and I won eating the most tacos. You eating that one because you don't want to sound like a...
Yeah, you said pussy.
A booty head. Don't throw up, baby. You know, it's okay if you're not a G like me. You know what I'm saying?
Right toward you.
You know, it's okay to get defeated by one taco. You know.
Then we're gonna post it. Me throwing up on you.
No.
You know, some people find that very sexy.
No, G. No. That's some nasty stuff.
That's a freaky
See,
stuff.
even your baby agree. Like, ouch.
That's a freaky.
She said, I can't talk to you like that.
That's a freaky stuff.
Whew, that's some nasty stuff.
It turn you on just by watching somebody throw up. Like you was in high school when somebody throw up in your clay, but damn, that's sexy. Throw some more. Like what the
That is nasty.
That's how you was in high school. Like damn, I just threw up.
Baby, just don't eat it.
I ain't gonna lie. Once I pass gas, I eat it.
You see, now you pass gas, I'm gone.
Hold on, let me see about the camera real quick again. I'll be back.
Yeah, he gonna step out the camera, but you gonna still hear it.
Shut up.
I think I'm full for today.
I asked her, let's do the video for 22 minutes. She said, okay. But I'm the reason why I'm going to 30. That's crazy.
Cause you can't eat the taco. Yeah. Cause I'm a G.
We should
and you
have
not.
it like you said.
Huh?
We should have it like you said.
We should have half in it. Half of what? I mean, I tried to help you, you know what I'm saying? But the offer is off the table.
Yeah, off the table.
You only got like 2 more bites.
I know. But I'm sure it just does with this bite.
Baby, she on go, baby.
Look good.
She is on go. She is moving. Ooh.
Somebody gonna be throwing up.
Who, me? Don't put that in my future. I rebuke that.
I rebuke it too.
Because you'll be rubbing my back.
I'm in this living room.
Yeah, I hate throwing up. I throw up for like my whole, like I'm about to die. I hate it. I hate it. My first trimester, that's all I did. I threw up water. Like,
I like throwing up.
So I can tell your drunk story?
Yeah, I told you.
I didn't tell them that. I told them you peeing all everywhere.
I don't want no.
This dude said,
All right,
I'm from Holly. He say, I'm from Holly Hills. I don't throw up.
All right, you want me to
No.
talk about talking? All right, you better hold up.
No, yeah, I'm never drinking taco vodka again.
Yeah, hush that up. I'll tell the world.
I'm from Holly Hills. I don't throw up.
Do that.
My stomach tight.
See, I don't, y'all.
Baby, throw it up.
No. I don't throw up.
I can't breathe. It don't matter, y'all. I still won. He just eat it just cause.
I really am just eating it because she talking shit.
But
I eat more pizza slices than her.
Hey, if it's thin, I can eat a whole box. If they're the fat ones, I'm not really.
She's not a pizza person.
I'm not a bread person. I'm not big on bread at all. Like she can't get jiggy with it at all.
At all. I love me some bread though.
I can't stand this boy. I'm thinking he finna make a sandwich. He put two or three breads together and eat it. I'm like, boy, you gonna clog up your arteries.
I'm done.
Boy, I ain't never seen you do that.
I'm done. Do what?
You still got a whole taco there.
What taco?
The one you trying to hide?
The cheese.
Alright, G, you got it. So, y'all, thanks for watching this video. I won. So Cordell got defeated by a taco, you know what I'm saying? Because he from Holly Hills.
You got shit.
Okay. Okay. So.
You got shit, man. Ow.
Okay. So.
Damn.
If you like this video, please like and subscribe and hit the bell so you can get notifications when we upload new videos. Thank y'all for watching. Shay and Dello. Oh, Shay and Dello. Oh, Shay and Dello.
Don't forget your Jello.
And Dello.
Don't forget your Jello.
Oh. Get it.
Oh.
Peace out.